How to use labour market information in schools. What is labour market information? To elaborate, here's some commonly asked questions from young people on careers. What are the different jobs I could do on a construction site? How much could you earn? What qualifications do I need to get into care work? My parents say I'll need a degree to be an engineer, is that right? What kind of jobs can I get around here when I finish school? To answer these questions, we need to look to labour market information, often called LMI for short. LMI effectively describes the world of work, ranging from descriptions of different careers, their entry routes, skills and qualifications needed, promotional prospects, salaries paid, and so on. Crucially for young people, LMI also covers future demand. What kind of jobs will be in demand after leaving school, and what kind of skills will be needed? LMI also provides insight into equality of opportunity and social mobility. For example, highlighting areas of gender imbalance in certain occupations, such as STEM, where numerous initiatives currently exist to encourage more female participants. Why is labour market information important to young people? The ultimate goal of Good Careers advice is to enable individuals to make informed career choices. LMI is crucial to this decision-making process. Government ministers have stated it is vital in an environment where new industries are emerging and many of the most important jobs of the future don't yet exist, that individuals have access to high-quality labour market information and earnings data to underpin their choices. Where can I find it? LMI can be located in a variety of different resources, ranging from research reports such as IPPR's Future Proof and Tech City's study into young people's perceptions of careers in tech, sector organisations with a responsibility to promote different employer groupings, the strategic plans of the local enterprise partnerships providing an insight into skills needs in your local area, free careers websites such as National Careers Service, the Apprenticeship Guide and Supporting Inspiration, job portals like Reed, Monster Jobs, Glassdoor, Indeed and Universal Job Match. Business publications and media such as Be Daily, Insider Media, Chambers of Commerce News and regional and national media. Can I trust the information? With all sources of labour market information, it is important to recognise the context and intentions of the author. For example, a company website is ultimately promoting itself. A newspaper report might feature an editorial bias. Always check the references and bibliography of the source. It won't necessarily mean the information is false, but might require an appropriate health check warning when sharing information with students. This is particularly pertinent when using labour market information to gain a picture of forecast future demand, or the impact of technology on the longevity of certain jobs. A critical eye is an important asset when working with any labour market information data which seeks to predict future jobs demand, growth, demise or creation.
My name's Chloe Dishman. I work at Churchill Community College and I'm a technology teacher. Children didn't know what technology could take them to outside the classroom. They'd just seen it as, oh, we're just going to do some sewing. So we did a careers-based project which didn't look at just technology, it looked at how technology could link to all the other subjects that they do. So the first step that we did was looked at how it links to all subjects so that they could then make a link to a job. So they would first go through job adverts that were for technology jobs and then cipher through which they thought the skills were that they'd need. Even though they were just combining skills and subjects, they would then look at what jobs were available that linked those two subjects together. Also looked at what range of jobs are available. So the aim of it was to maybe open their eyes because it would raise aspirations about what was out there in the bigger, wider world rather than them just seeing what was around them locally. So raising that cultural capital and raising their aspirations to achieve and making them realise that it is achievable and that we do learn things in lessons that you can apply to the outside world.
Using labour market information with your students helps your school meet its statutory responsibilities and helps achieve the Gatsby career benchmarks. But more importantly, it helps your students make informed career decisions which give them the best opportunity to reach their potential and have a more successful, happier future.